Ukrainian aviation is using powerful S-25 missiles against the Russians. Additionally, Ukrainian military mastering the Gepard SPAAG in Germany. Welcome to Silver News Channel. Air Force of the Armed Forces of Ukraine attack aircraft is using powerful S-25 air-to-surface missiles during combat. The military showed these missiles mounted on Su-25 attack aircraft. The S-25 unguided air-to-surface missile was developed by the Tokmash Design Bureau and is designed to destroy enemy equipment and manpower. It was adopted by the USSR in June 1975. The published photos demonstrated that the Ukrainian Air Force is using S-25O and S-25OFM missile modification, which were inserted in the Pu-25 launch container. The S-250 missile is designed to defeat lightly armored vehicles and the enemy manpower. The unguided missile has a range of 1,600 to 3,000 meters with a 151 kg warhead. The S-25-0's warhead hull with a fragmentation notch crushes into 12,000 fragments. During the USSR trials of the S-25O, the warhead conducted an air burst 7 meters above the aircraft on the ground and actually destroyed it. Another aircraft 9 meters away had the fuselage skin and wings torn off, and the cockpit was destroyed. The targets at a distance of 60 meters had also suffered damage. S-25OFM missile is a high-explosive penetrating type with a 150 kg warhead. On a modernized S-25OFM with a high-explosive fuse type, the fuse was transferred to the bottom of the hull. At the USSR trials, the rocket confidently hit the plane, penetrating the 1-meter thickness of the reinforced concrete shelter. Training of Ukrainian military mastering of Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft guns began at German training grounds. According to the German media Lübecker Nachrichten, the training began at the training polygon of the German Armed Forces in Schleswig-Holstein. Currently, at least 100 servicemen of the Ukrainian army are in training. The Bundeswehr has not yet officially confirmed information about this training. Toddendorf training ground meets all the requirements for this. Previously, Gepard was based there. It is convenient to train in shooting ranges there in the Baltic Sea, said Ingo Gedayans, a defense expert and member of Eastern Holstein Bundestag. Gepard is designed to protect armored convoys on the march and stationary objects from helicopters and aircraft attacks at low altitude, day and night in all weather conditions and in conditions of intensive electronic countermeasures of the enemy. As reported earlier, Germany found a manufacturer of ammunition for Gepard. The manufacturer in Norway said it could produce special 35 mm projectile. The German government initially found the ammunition in South America, but its transfer to Ukraine was not approved by Switzerland, the manufacturing country. The supply of ammunition for the Gepard was previously considered a problem, since only slightly less than 60,000 35 mm rounds were available. Gepard can shoot at a speed of up to 1,000 rounds per minute. However, in real conditions, it shoots at an effective rate, adapted to the target. As for the equipment supply, it appears that nothing should prevent the transfer of 30 units of Gepard to Ukraine. If everything goes according to plan, the first systems should be delivered to Ukraine in July 2022.